Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we have VIVO Y33T and its own latest FunTouch OS and Android version, and also this phone is running on latest security patch. So I'm going to show you how you can enable OEM unlock and unlock its bootloader without PC. So all you have to do is go to system. There you're going to see developer options. If not, then go to about phone software version and then tap on build number 7 times. Once done, go to system, go to developer options, and there you're going to see this option which is OEM unlocking. Just enable it and that's it. Now the bootloader is allowed to be unlocked. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. So there you can see the phone, it's Y33T. Bye for now.